Hi, hello viewers. Welcome to my channel. This is Ravi. In this video, I'd like to explain about deleting a table in Microsoft Word, copying a table, moving a table. Before going to that, a small request. Those who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and share it to your friends. Now let us see the concepts. First of all, let us see how to delete a table in Microsoft Word. So for that, I'm taking a table. See here I'm taking one table. In that some content is there. Suppose I want to delete this table. See, now I'm selecting. So now I am pressing delete button in the keyboard. See what happened. Only the content in the table is deleted. So now my requirement is I want to delete the complete table. So for that, see here. So whenever the table is in selected mode, here you will observe a tab, layout tab on the ribbon of this document. Okay, see here, click on layout tab. In the rows and columns group, here we have delete option. Click on this drop down arrow button. Here we have one option that is called as delete table. Click on this delete table. Okay, so this is how we can delete a table in Microsoft Word. Okay, what is our next concept? Copying a table and paste the table somewhere. See here. So for that, for copying a table, I have taken a table. It contains all the student details. See here, this table is in document 3. In document 3, I have one table. It contains complete student details. So now I want to copy this table and paste it in another document. See here. So for that, we know the procedure. First of all, we have to select the table, Control A. After that, we have to copy. See here, copy option is here. Now I am copying and I want to paste this table in another document. See, the document is in document 3 and I want to paste this document in document 4. See here. So where is the paste? This. See here, paste. You observe it is not pasted properly. See here, name, class. You observe. Actually, the original table is like this. You observe. See here. The original table is like this and it is in one page only. See here. In page 1 of 1. You observe here in one page only. But after pasting in another document, the format is changed. You observe here. NAME. E came into the next line. All the headings, letters are changed and the table is came in 2 pages. See here, 2 pages. So here my requirement is I want the table how it is in original document. That means see here, this is the original table which is in document 3. I want same as it is like this after pasting in document 4. Okay, so for that now I am removing this table by using Ctrl Z, right? So if we want the original table exactly how it is like that only in the next document after pasting, means for that we have to follow some procedure. See here, first of all, this is the original table which is in document 3. So here we have to check the margins. See here, margins are in page layout tab, in page setup group. Here margins are there. See here, and click on customs margins. Now you observe here, top, bottom, left, right, all are with 0.5 inches only. All the margins are top, bottom, left, right, 0.5 inches only. Okay. And come to the document where you want to paste. Here in this document also you have to give the same margins. See here, page layout, page setup group, margins, click on custom margins. But whereas here, that's why it is not coming properly. See here, top 0.5 no problem, bottom also 0.5 no problem, but when it comes to left and right, the margins are different for this document. That's why here also, so the keyboard we have to give 0.5, right side also we have to give 0.5. okay, after that click on OK, right? And so we have changed the margins, and after that we have to give the, we have to check the sizes also. This is A4 size, and here also we have to give the A4 size. Okay, right, now you paste. See here. Okay, after all the settings are done, so now we can paste. Control A, select all, and Control C, copy. Okay, so I have given Control A and Control C. So now I am pasting in another document. See here, paste in home tab. Here paste is there na, so click on here. See, now you observe exactly how it is in the document 3 as it is easily pasted in document 4 also. Okay, so this is how copying a table, right? And what is our next concept? Moving a table. Moving a table. See here, see, moving a table. See here, see, if we want to move this table, just okay, see here, keep the cursor anywhere in the table. After that you observe this symbol, left side top corner, this symbol. Okay, so click on this and drag wherever you want. See here. Okay, so like this. See. Okay, so we have to click on here, top left corner, and click here, and you can drag wherever you want in the document area. See here I want. Okay, or here you want, yes, we can drag. Okay, so this is how we can delete a table, we can copying a table, and we can move a table in Microsoft Word. If you have any doubts or any queries regarding this topic, keep in comment section. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, like it, and share it to your friends. Thank you so much for watching this video.